Hey Hawkeyes, I'm Chloe. Come spend a day in life with me. Let's go! Hi there, my name is Chloe Ladinas and I'm double majoring in informatics with an HCI cognate and art. And I'm also double minoring in communication studies and psychology. Being an art major, I'm able to find other creative outlets beyond the computer science department. This is the visual arts building over here, and it's mostly for studio art classes. So ceramics, arts to jewelry making, and then we have 3D design in there. And then we also have, the more traditional forms of arts like drawing and painting are also up in there.
Well, let's go to my graphic design 3 class first.
My graphic design 3 class is a mend between the online space and graphic design space to create a platform where people would be able to access online resources and just, online platforms on a website. And that's what we've been creating.
My name is Jeremy Swanston. I'm an associate professor of graphic design in the School of Art and Art History and Design at the University of Iowa. The graphic design curriculum is sequential, so it's designed to take students from the very foundational principles of graphic design all the way through an advanced practice. We provide students with the latest technology and industry-leading software to help them bring their ideas into fruition. We also try to identify professional pathways for students looking for internship opportunities that are matching their skill set at any given time in the program. So the major pieces of advice that I would have for any student looking to pursue a degree in graphic design is to be collaborative. Design is collaborative, and that means finding opportunities to work with others, even outside of the profession. If you want a program that helps shape media, from books and posters to websites or UI UX, mobile app design, while developing both critical and intellectual rigor, then Iowa is a great fit for you.
Alright, now let's go to my Italian Renaissance class.
Now this class is about the 14th and 15th century artists in the Italian Renaissance. So essentially we go over, the architecture of the churches we talk about and the art that is inside of them, and also just concepts surrounding what makes the Renaissance, along with the artists who make those artworks during that time period. My favorite study spot on campus is definitely the Art Building West library, because all the windows they're very grand. When I do have to do art research, the books are right there. I don't need to have to move to another place to go look for primary resources or secondary resources for the papers I have to write every once in a while.
All right, let's go to my Women in Computer Science Club.
A lot of the stuff we focus on is career workshops where we introduce other women speakers who are in the field. My job is my web content administrator and editor job. I essentially help migrate a lot of the old content from websites onto our newer platform. And I also just help oversee all the department websites overall. One of the major benefits when working a on-campus job is that they have more flexible time for you because they're aware that you're a student. They know that you have schoolwork on top of you're trying to balance your social life. Because of that, they take all of that into account when creating a flexible schedule for you throughout your semester. All right, I just logged out for the night, y'all. So I'm gonna head home, get some food, and thank you again for spending the day with me.